Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have Mini GT Ruf Rodeo in this presentation color. I don't know because normally it says the car color at the bottom right there, but it says presentation. So yeah, presentation, quite interesting. For some reason it's in that color, but yeah, overall pretty nice. The box seems pretty cool. Yeah, other sides in this, I don't know, tannish green, I think. And you have the car bottom there, pretty cool. Number 421, as you can see right there. There's that if you want it. And then obviously you have the TSM licensing. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So I decided to kind of pick this up because it kind of looked nice to me, like the color and whatnot. Like everything just seemed pretty cool and pretty nice, so I had to pick this up. It's very, very nice. Now I know this is a Ruf, and I believe I've never gotten any Rufs in my collection, but yeah, I'm not entirely familiar with Ruf. I'm normally familiar with Porsche, obviously. But yeah, here we have the Ruf Rodeo, which, to be honest, right from the box, it seemed pretty, I don't know, bland. But looking from it out of the box, just seems great. I love this sort of like this matte, I don't know, a tannish gold. It's like slightly gold, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. I love the color, in fact, that they have like a bit of two-tone color right here. Like, it's not 100% two-tone. As you can see, the main color of the car is like that tannish gold, and the bottom of the car is more to that plastic dark gray type of material color. But I don't think so it's plastic, I'm not sure, I have to check later. But yeah, it's so detailed. It kind of looks like a rally car, but it's not. So this is more of like a camping type of car. Yeah, I know it sounds very weird. You're meant to drive in the forest like this. Like, you're meant to drive it into the deep forest and do some camping with this car, which I'll talk about in a bit. It's quite interesting than the fact that this is way cooler than normal 911 Porsche. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So first of all, I want to talk about the color. It seems very nice in this, like it said on the box, it's in this presentation color. I don't know why is it called like that, but still pretty cool. But yeah, looking from the side, you have the 5 spokes in this sort of like tannish gold rims, which are pretty neat. On the side, as you can see, there is a bit, oh, so it's metal, similar to the body. Actually, it's connected to the body. Interesting. So it's like in this matte gray plus matte tannish gold color. So like the matte gray color is like moving from the back towards the front, and basically at the bottom of the door towards the front, which is kind of neat. Nothing else right here. I don't see any fuel tank or anything. But yeah, there's the door. Obviously you have the wing mirrors or side mirrors, if you want to call them that. And then you have these circle headlights, which are known from Porsche. Obviously Porsche has done a few 911s with the circle out headlights, and basically they added a bit more of these tiny headlights in sort of like this similar to the color of the body. But yeah, the other parts are like in brown, which matches the color of this front part right here. Hold on, let me check. It's oh yeah, it's like a guardrail or guard bar for the front. I don't know why it's coated in that like brown color. And then first you have the like gold touches at the front. I don't know why, but yeah, the front part is fully covered in this matte gray color. And then for the hood, you have this like tan gold color, which is cool. Love the interior in that brown color. I think that's I think in real life that should be like leather, brown leather in the car, which is kind of cool. I love the combination of colors here. And then moving on to the roof rack, you have this I don't know what is this. Hold on, let me check. So I bet that's a tent. The dark green is meant to be like a tent. And then you have 2 brown luggage bags, maybe for the passengers or the driver itself, who knows. But yeah, you have the roof rack in this sort of like dark brown, and basically 2 luggage bags and this sort of like tent, which is kind of neat. I like the fact that they've added the roof rack for extra detail. I like it. And then moving on to the back, you have this sort of like spade. Is that like a spade, or is that a shovel? I'm not sure. But yeah, it's like sort of attached at the back right there, which is kind of interesting. And then yeah, you have more brown in the interior right there, which I kind of like. And more matte gray at the back. And yeah, basically you have the tiny rear lights at the back here in red, which are pretty neat. Exhaust pipes, yeah, they have it. Wait, hold on. You kind of do, but I'm not sure if you can see it or not. It's in black. It's coming out from the side right here, and the other side is obviously. So it's double. It's 2 exhaust pipes, which is pretty neat. And then moving on to the base, yeah, the base. The base is quite interesting here. You have this sort of like, I don't know, texture. I'm not sure what it is. But yeah, pretty interesting. Mini GT made in China. So yeah, pretty cool. I love the car itself. Like comparing to obviously worldwide known Porsche. Like Porsche has done many interesting cars, especially the 911s. And well, when Ruf decided to do it, I don't know, some people like to say Ruf, some people say Ruf. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just gonna call it Ruf. But yeah, this type of car itself is pretty neat. I do like the fact that they've like, instead of making a normal 911 like they normally do, and turn it into like this sort of like camper car, or maybe like a camping vehicle, like a sports Porsche. That's pretty neat. I like the overall color, I like the rims, the interior looks nice, even the roof rack. Overall, this casting just is very perfect, and I do like it. So yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Ruf Rodeo. So once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.